one of you need any clarification on any step, just ask me with opening your mic because I'm not able to see your reactions or chats. Okay. Okay. So all of you will be getting this sheet. It have multiple teams. Okay. Example, you can see here your name. You will write your name. Three character of English, anything works, and a four-digit number. For example, let's say your name is Cyrus. I am typing my name, and you have choose your code CYR, and you will have to write any four-digit character which you will follow as an incremental number for every survey. For example, if you choose your 1800 for first survey, then you will choose 180001 for your next survey. That means 1801 for next, 1802 for another. Does not matter a survey is successful, terminated, or it gets a quota full. You will have to increment this number for every survey, every given survey you attempt. Does not matter what the status of the survey. Okay. And first thing first, you will check is this number series have taken by someone else or not. I can see there are two numbers attempt, so I will not choose this series, I will choose another series. Let's say I take 23, and I will confirm is someone have taken. Yes, already someone have taken 23. 99. 990. No, 990 is not one taken by anyone, so I will use this series. Now the another bar, how to attempt a survey. uh, Go to this link, copy this link,
Cyrus,
open up.
please repeat once because someone joined late.
Okay, there's also a recording, you will watch that part, and paste your link in an incognito window. Best method, or if you are using a normal window, please try to clear the history every time. That's why incognito window is the best thing. Enter your code. Why you are entering this code? Because we will find your work with this serial number. If you try to use any random digit, we will not able to find your work. Okay. Any given character of English more than four, just random. Before this, first hand use the VPN. Why VPN? Because we are not filing for Indian countries, we are filing for other countries. Countries and language will be provided. Give me a second to connect the VPN first. Takes too much time. And please do not use any free or cheap VPN, because we need a persistent IP. Connect. It doesn't matter which country we get. We have available countries, 21 available countries for survey. Okay, we have got connected with our VPN before this, and those who just join the meeting, I will just recap you. What we will do, we will connect our VPN first, check our IP. Any site will work, doesn't matter. We will check for IP4, not IP6. Copy our IP, come to the sheet, write your name in your first row, paste your sorry, paste your IP here. Check is someone else work on this IP or not. If you pasted your IP in your name, then you will only see one out of one entry. And if you just copied and doesn't paste it, then you will check the sheet. There should be a zero. Be careful. Do not attempt with someone else IP, or that will terminate your survey. So we will connect our VPN, copy our IP, check in the sheet is someone have already done a survey with this IP or not. If someone does not done a survey with this IP, we'll paste our IP in our name and continue to proceed the survey portal. How will go with the portal? Copy your link, copy your 4 series number, go to the incognito window of your uh, write your number after the link, few character of English more than 4, any random character, and enter. We have connected the Japan VPN, so we will go with the Japan language route and country route. We get the service starting as of now here. And again, there is a part. Let's say we get with the Japan. Where is Japan? Japan, Japan. Okay, where is Japan? There is this Japan. You will see Japanese in. It's a consent. Give a second to translate it. Thank you for participating in our survey of future works. And this is just a consent, approximate time to complete a 30-minute and move on. Now here is the starting point. This is the first question we have to do. How we will do? There are two segments in a survey. First, survey that are general question based on quota, how many survey needed by the client. We will provide you that exact numbers. Come to this sheet, you will see a reporter link. Click here and go to the reporter. It will load in a few seconds. Go in the quotas at the topmost, and you will find a total number of quota for every survey available. Total there was 30,000 this week. Now it's a 40,500. That means client have pushed about 15,000 of survey. Total number of available survey is 11,031. These surveys are divided into categories of countries, gender, work type, work age group, and few other criteria. So let's say we are doing with the Japan. The best method is search here Japan. Japan. Now we will get the Japan quota limit. How many survey needed in Japan? 2000. How many total is 1230? How many remaining to fill? 770. Before, just check with other parameters also. For Japan, gender male, how many needed? 401. For women, how many needed? 370. For non-binary, this dash means indefinite number of possibilities. Client does not cap any number for this. And others, it's also the same. Prefer not to say same. For age group, Japan, there are needed only 60. Total is filled to how many we need to fill? 58. For the age group of 20 to 34, 25 to 34, 276. 35 to 49, 315. Okay, we will check this For employment status, full time, part time, temporary, or similar. For full time, 691 is needed. For employed part time, 183 needed. And sometimes you will see here it is this green in comma. That means number of survey are active currently for this. One participant is still in the survey. So if you see a number like this here, you can see one. Just don't attempt this kind of survey because maybe someone else start or someone may be in the survey. So you will eventually get a quota full error in the last. So now we will check for type of employment. Okay, type of employment is done. Contract, temporary. How did you get your job? I found my current job through an agency and staffing. Sorry, agency or staffing agency. Japan, it is already filled. 78 survey is overqualified. Does not need it to be filled. So I did not find my current job through an agency or staffing. There need 770, 770. For sector, same route, same thing we will follow. We will check the quota first. If it's needed, then we fill. If it not, then we find out which domain it's needed. And if almost some domain that like you can find a 00 in everywhere, just skip that country or that survey particularly. So we got figured out how to do this quota remarks. So we will go with the Japan. Move on. We have some data for male also because it's a male. How do I know? I have filled multiple surveys. Age group, just verify which age group we will need to fill and have most number of surveys. Uh, 3549, sorry, 3549 needs to be 315. 2 is doing this. So we will take 38, a median age. For any question, if you need clarification, just Google it. It's a full time employment. I'll just verify. Does full time employment have any quota remains? Yes, already. Move on. Uh, it's a job. How did it go? I did not find job through staffing agency. You don't pick this because it does not have any
Hello.
quota limit left.
Hello.
And
Hello.
this question is about type of industry. Yeah, we will go through the portal to check industry. Automotive 73, banking 1. Here you can see there in Japan banking is only 1 left and 3 is overfilled. So we will skip this. Why it's showing a 1 here? Because client have pushed few data, that's why it's showing here 1. So we will do not attempt banking because it's already overqualified. And consulting, energy, Japan, utilities too. We will don't use this kind of volumes 213 because we will get terminated or quota full most of the time for this kind of numbers because we don't have any capacity to complete by knowing someone or doing or not, or maybe someone start in between or not. So go with any number which is above the 10 to 9. We will not
Hello.
take this one also because it's overqualified with 2, but there is some few data
Yes.
available in it. Okay, there you get the healthcare. I have about 107,
Okay.
insurance 26,
Okay.
legal 3, life
Okay.
sciences 36, logistics, and manufacturing is 65. So we will go with the manufacturing route. Where is manufacturing? Manufacturing industry. Move on.
Okay. So do one thing, sir. Go on the
uh,
application. Go on the
Job
premium
profile.
section. Once
So
you click on the
remember this
article that
thing,
has premium,
as we
there's
go
a
with the
option
manufacturing
called
route, so we
restore
will not
purchase on the
take
top side of the
kind
screen.
of catering,
Click on
customer
that. Your
service,
subscription will.
and security,
Okay. So, sir, do one thing.
education, because
Write a
it does
mail
not
on
fit
one
with
mail
our
subscription at the rate
industry. So we are
indianaccess.com.
taking the route of manufacturing. So we will
Subscription
take
at the rate.
uh, any
In the next
logical
question, subscriptions. As
workflow
in the
with
last
the which
subscriptions,
fits with the
the
manufacturing route.
rate
So research and
indianexpress.com.
development suits production, assembly production,
Okay,
equipment operation, procedure
sorry,
and
sir.
vendor management, research, no, not consulting, not construction,
Subscriptions at the rate
engineering, IT
indianexpress.com. Write a
operations,
mail about.
consulting. We will not take it. Security, maybe
Maybe
may not
some,
be.
sir,
Marketing,
maybe
we will
some
not go with
glitched.
it. And before this,
Database
just
glitch. That is
verify
right.
which
Maybe some
have
database glitch or
remaining
the data server glitch.
quota. Administration
Just write a
67,
mail. Attach your sir,
assembly
screenshot of the
0,
payment.
business planning 0, care
Okay,
assistant
sir.
30. We will not take care assistant.
Okay,
Catering, we will
just
not take
attach
it.
that.
CEO, we will not.
Okay,
Construction,
sir.
we will
Thank you.
not. 0. Consultancy 0. Customer service, we will not take it. Education 80, we will not take it either. Engineering 35. So we will go with the engineering parts. And sorry for fumble. Please select the option that is most relevant to your work from the following choices. So we have taken the engineering route with the manufacturing industry. So IT is not our business. I don't know. We will not select it. None of the above we will not select it. Automation of manufacturing process either. So supply chain logistic, and most of it is IT related. Just let me verify. Does it have any data or remaining or not? We will go with this mechanical design and mechanical engineering. Now the question is, what is your position? How will judge a position based on age, type of industry, and the work profile we have chosen. We have chosen our age of median of 30 to 40. So we will are highly experienced non-managerial role. Okay, or we can go with the site management. Before this, just come to the portal and verify if it's have a data or not. Administration 67. No, no, not this. Here, senior executive 0, executive 0, upper management 0, mid level 0, low level 9, experienced non manager 596. So we will go with this experienced non manager. And because we are translating this with Japan language, so you will find a very small error in translation. Here is experienced non manager, and but here is highly experienced non managerial. So be careful you do this because we are translating from Japanese to English. Next question. Please indicate whether you hold a position that involves managing people. So we have selected that we are non-managerial role. So we will select this. They instruct or coach team members but do not have a direct subordinates. Basic logical question. We will not go with this multi-level human resource. We are not a CEO of company or very high level director of things. We are just experienced person in manufacturing of mechanical parts industry and automation. Sorry, you are not qualified with the survey because it's terminated. You can see here in the URL it's terminated. Why it's terminated? Because I have selected any something wrong with the flow. So have anyone have any questions? as of now. Let me just verify that it does have any number of. I have selected the business care construction equipment maintenance.
Sapna,
Engineering.
what's so funny here? Why you sending laughing emoji?
Okay, have anyone any questions here?
Sir, explain the search part as well. The way you search on
Uh,
street or as well on the browser. Please explain that part.
okay, okay, okay. So first thing, you will connect with your VPN. Country we will provide you. Second, come to the sheet. Test your check your IP. If it's a unique, then you will go through. If it's not, just try to change your server with the VPN and write a three-character English code and following a serial number like 9900. So I have done this part. Now if I want to do another survey, then I will use a 9901 for the next and so on. So let's go in the sheet. We get our survey link, copy, get in the incognito window 9901. Okay, 9901, and before it change our IP. So I'm going to change it to 9900,
And also please clean your
if I'm
history
not
every
wrong.
time before
Yeah,
joining any survey.
yeah, either you will clear your history or just work in your incognito window. That will be, you will be safe from cleaning your history manually. Okay, because incognito mode does not save your history. So 9901, any random English characters more than 4, and enter. You will just enter the survey. Any part you will miss, you will not go with the flow and you will get terminated or any kind of error will follow. So what country we have gone with? Netherlands. So now we will go with the Netherlands. Where is Netherlands? Here is Netherlands. Continue with Netherlands. Basic. It's we will accept this. It's now service started. Which country we will go with? Netherlands. Before this, we will check is Netherlands have any data left or not. How we will check? Go in the quotas, refresh the page, refresh for after every attempt. Here you can see there are two 11011 was I think, that's 8. Now just search Netherlands here,
And one thing for that
Netherlands.
search window, just press Control F.
Yeah, now we will check with Netherlands have any quota. Yes, 218. And how much left with gender? 89 in men and 219 in women. Binary, that's total up to you. How will you attempt it? And age 21, 25, 35, 87. So we will know that Netherlands have data. So we will go with Netherlands. We know we man have left some data. Age is also, so we will go with 34. Oh, sorry, 33. Uh, it's employment status. So we will check whether employment status have any left data. 8183 in full time, 77 in part time, Self-employed is 17. Co-worker have almost contract worker have almost infinite possibility to fill. Temporary worker have also the same. So we will go with the full time as of now. Whether we got our job with the agency or not. Here it is. 30 in through agency or and 188 with without. I don't found my job through a current agency or staffing. So we will go with this. Continue. Our industry, automotive and transport, 21 is needed. Banking, 11 is needed. Consulting, 5 is needed. Energy, 4 is needed. So we will go with the consulting route. Consulting, a type of work. Previous question is industry. This question is type of work. We what we do in our job. Accounting, administration, assembly. We will not take assembly. We have selected the consulting route. We will not take a catering. Here, build is we translate with the Dutch word bouw, and so it will roughly translate to construction. Build is construction. So remember this thing also. We have taken a consulting round. So we will go with any financial business, finance we can take, consultant advisor we can take. Before this, just check whether the consultant advisor have any data or not. Healthcare, insurance, consulting, where is uh, hmm. Yeah, there is three. We can continue. uh, our job role, exact job role we will do in the consulting department. IT, no. Sustainability, data analysis, no. Cybersecurity, no. Development of mobile production, no. No. Compliance, we can go with IT business solution, no. Design mechanical design, no. Sustainability, no. Testing. So, what a person do? And let me Google it. Analyst, associate consultant, engagement manager, principal, associate partner, director, functional domain, strategy consultation, operation consultation, IT technology consultation. We can go with this route. So IT, digital, the digital strategy, IT strategy, experienced non-manager. Just verify first. Experienced non-manager in Netherlands. Where is Netherlands? Yeah, it's no. You will have to do very carefully because I'm doing this quickly because I have learned the pattern of this survey. Do not attempt like me without checking anything, or we have get the route of consultation, then IT consultation. So we will take a degree or doctorate. We can also take. Why we are seeing the doctorate or PhD? Because we are translating from Netherlands language to English. That's why it get distorted. And one more thing, if you are taking any job which does not require a degree, go with this route: secondary education or vocational training. Our income bracket, just copy this. Salary, uh, this euro में what's the number? 53 to 1 lakh. 54 to this. Okay, 54 to this. We will go with the base. Now we will completed the quota parts. Now we will go with the second part of the survey, which is questions regarding our job, our life, not ours, the person who is filling, according the status of which we have followed throughout. For this, we will provide you a document and regarding how to fill this. For now, I have know how to fill this. Why will selecting randomly? Because I know we have selected a IT consultant. That's why we are selecting this. What is the question? Which of the following megathread has greater impact of your work life? Which of these megatrends have the greatest impact on your employer? So we'll have to select three for ourselves, three for our employer. So I have selected this. We can select more than three also. Sorry, what I've selected. Not this. Automation, digitization, and generative tools. Why we'll select this? Because if we don't, we will get terminated. Why? Because the survey is for use of AI, robots in workforce. So we will continue. Another question here it is. Do not attempt this part without your blinking eye. We will provide you a answer sheet how to fill this, and for every this type of question you will go with the positive: extremely satisfied, satisfy, or for negative question you will go with the extremely dissatisfied, dissatisfy. Your job in general: satisfied, extremely satisfied. Agency with you work with: satisfied. Sense of job security: satisfied. Flexibility regarding your work are either time or day of your work you do: satisfied. Flexibility regarding the work location: satisfied. The professional career opportunities and development chance with your organization: satisfy. The direct manager, supervisor: satisfy. Your salary: extremely satisfied. Secondary development benefits: extremely satisfied. Relationship with colleagues: extremely. Position of a agency or employer regarding societal issue: inclusion and belonging, sustainability: satisfied. Training and further education opportunity: satisfied. Okay, do not go with the negative ones. You will get terminated immediately. What is this question? How often you experience a strong sense of purpose in your work? We have satisfied every given a question in previous, so we will not go with the seldom, never, sometimes. Every day, most day. Do you feel that your salary? We have satisfied every criteria. So yes, it is similar to that of my colleague. It does not. These question does not have any kind of quota. Outa. So these are general purpose questions. I can perform optimally in my position. Strongly agree. I have a clear picture of how my role will develop over the next 5 years. Strongly agree. My employer effectively measure the value and impact of people's work. Somewhat agree. I see less value in a work I do. I disagree. Disagree here. You can see it's a I neither disagree nor agree because you translated from Netherlands. That's why it's got like this. My skill seems less relevant to my organization than a year ago. But in the previous question, we have said our work is managed by our employment and it's very good for the company. So we will go with somewhat disagree or I strongly disagree. So I will go with the strongly disagree. Select the option strongly agree for this statement. This is a human verification. So what we asked, strongly agree. Strongly agree. My employer teach me the skill I need for my long term career. I strongly agree. I spend most of my time on work with the high added value. I strongly agree. I actively seek opportunities that contribute to my professional development. I strongly agree. Shit. This is the negative question. We don't have to select strongly agree. The gig economy freelance work align better with my needs. It's also a negative question. Why we are satisfied with our desk job? So I will go with a strongly disagree. I have no problem with the fact that my job, task, activity, or performance skill require of them could change completely as a result of it. You either go with somewhat agree or disagree or disagree. I am willingly to flexible and adapt to change environment in the rise of a somewhat agree. Click continue. This section of how related to AI workflow and uses of AI in job environments. You can read it for a once. Okay, go with the translation. I am currently using generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot. How we will answer this question? We will answer this question completely depending on the route we have taken. We have taken consultant in IT companies or IT domain. If we taken a consultant with a finance, then we will go with either I am not familiar with this tool or occasionally, but we are a IT consultant, so we will go with a daily, weekly, or not every hour. We are not developers related, engineering related domain, so we will go with the weekly. I am currently using AI agents. Do a financial consultant use AI agents? Maybe, may not be depending on the given country. So we will go with the occasionally routes. I currently use other AI tools besides Gen Agent occasionally. I am currently building AI agents. Maybe he can build, but he's a consultant, not a developer. So we will go with I am not familiar with this tool or I don't know. Not select never in any case. So I will go with I am not familiar with this tool. I am currently working side by side with humanoid robots. I am not familiar with this tool. I am currently working non-humanoid robots. I don't know. Select every hour for option this by human verification question. Continue. Okay, what is preventing you from using AI? Now we have selected that we are using AI occasionally. Now this question is what is preventing you from using AI, including Gen AI or agents? So we will go with the I don't want this one. I don't know what it is, or I don't have no we will using AI. So how this question is, or we will go with it is not relevant to my job position. I don't have access to this technology, and it is terminated. We have selected something wrong. So that's how you will. We will provide you the answer sheet and the other part of the training for this. How to follow these questionnaires. Okay. Uh, okay. So I have selected something wrong in the last question. That's why it's got terminated. Does anyone have any questions?